Hey everybody, it's Gabby girl. Wow, Mama got home and she's like, girls, it is so nice outside. I'm going out and I'm going to work in some of the flower beds and cut out the dead debris from the winter time. And you can come out and hang on the porch. So we're out here hanging on the porch. Did I tell you it's 75 degrees? It's like awesome. I won't be out here too long because I'm already starting to pant. I'm a ginger. Gingers get hot really easy in the sunshine. And the chickens are out and they're walking around. They're going, walk, 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 walk. And they're scratching, picking and scratching. And even the fish came alive in the pond today. And they're all floating at the top looking for food. Like when it gets weather, it gets nice. They are at the top like scrounging for pellets. They are like, hey, feed me, feed me. It's been a long winter. So Mama got them out some feed today. She's like, oh, we got to get to that pond and get that cleaned out over the winter. You know, you shut it all down and then in the spring you got to set it back up. And we had a couple of nice warm days and it gotten kind of green in there. So she's like, oh, I got to get Stan home for a day and then we got to get in this pond and get it all working and get it cleaned up. You know, it's going to be soon time for them frogs and they're going to be coming back and they're going to be mating. So it's a lot of work to do in the springtime around here on the farm. But Mama loves it. She just says this is the best. You know, last week, the weather, it snowed. And it rained in Pennsylvania, and it was cold, and it was nasty. Now, today is 75. Next week's supposed to be 40. I don't think what Mother Nature knows what she's doing, but that's okay. So we're going to get out here and enjoy the sunshine today. Mama said she's going to be productive. I said, I'm going to supervise. I'm going to lay right here. You go ahead and be productive. So whatever you're doing today, make it a great day. Hey, tell us, in your neck of the woods, what state you're from or country, and what's the temperature? We're going to track it around the world today, the temperature. All right, talk to you later.